I know your colors are trash. Don't lie to me.
Yeah, their colors are trash. Pretty bad, actually.
Not that I would know anything about color.
Well, yeah, you wouldn't know that because when you were alive, there was only those you would actually do swimming paintings.
Yeah, that's what I said.
So where were we?
We were talking about color.
Oh right, colors.
So shut up and listen. Don't argue with me. Subscribe.
Hello! I know your colors are trash, garbage, poo-poo. Don't lie to me. Alright? But don't worry. I'm here to fix that. Let's get on with it, bitch. Alright, so how do you choose good colors? It is pretty simple, okay? I know colors can be very difficult, but I'm gonna make it pretty simple. I'm gonna make it really simple. So pay attention. Alright, number one rule while coloring. Colors and values go hand in hand, alright? So look at this over here. Red, reddish orange, orange and yellow. They all have different values. So the red is the most darkest and the yellow is the most lightest. So use that to your advantage while coloring. Alright. Next up, every color has different saturation value. Okay. So these are like different colors, but their values are all different. So you have to use that to your advantage as well. Okay, while coloring. Use different colors to add a lighter or a darker value. That is what makes your paintings colorful. That is how you choose good colors. Okay. Next up, move the hue while choosing colors of different value. While choosing different values. Okay. So for example, over here, this red is of the same hue, and while blending, it looks okay. I mean, it doesn't look much interesting. But if we add a bit of hue variation, like red, reddish orange, orange and yellow, then while blending it looks much vibrant, much better, much colorful. Alright, so remember that. Same goes with blue to green. So what I mean by this is use these transition colors manually. Okay, now let's say if you want to blend red and yellow. Okay, normally you would blend something like this. Alright, but if you add a bit of orange in the middle, then it starts looking more interesting, starts looking more vibrant. So this is how you make the colors interesting. Okay, now I've seen so many beginner artists have muddy colors. Okay, it happens with everyone in the beginning. Even my first digital painting was like really muddy. Okay, really I don't know, really bad. All right, so yeah, so what exactly causes muddy colors? If you do not move the hue while choosing different color values, then that could cause muddy colors when blending. So look at this over here. This is okay-ish. All right, this doesn't have any interesting stuff. Okay, but when I move the hue slightly, the colors become more interesting. Same goes with blue, right? And to just show you the hue value, this is all 000 with different values. But this hue value, every hue value of these colors is different. Same goes over here. It doesn't matter if you choose a specific hue value. Okay, just move the hue slider slightly while choosing a different value. And last but not the least, muddy colors are caused due to choosing blacks and whites while painting lights and shadows. Okay. So look at this. This is a prime example of how muddy colors are formed. Red, black and white. But when I blend them, look at this thing. It all goes muddy. Alright, it looks like mud. Okay, it looks dirty. But if I don't choose a black and white shadow and light, then it looks more interesting. Then it looks more vibrant. Then it looks more good. Right? So yeah. So keep these rules in mind and your colors will automatically get much better. Okay, now I want to show you an example of muddy colors, okay, and how they are formed. All right, so this is the original painting all right, and this is using a single color, all right. So this is okay, like it's not that interesting, but look at all these colors over here, this violet or purple, and this red, and this skin tone, and this orange in the eyes, blue in the hair, okay, blue on the skin. So this is what makes it interesting. But when you draw muddy, when you choose black and white as a light and shadow, you get something like this. Look at how dirty it is. Look at how dirty it looks. So I purposely chosen blacks for shadows. The skin color is normal, but I purposely chosen blacks for shadows. Look at how non-vibrant, look at how bad it looks. Never choose black and white while applying shadows and lights. Remember that. You do not want to do this shit. And last but not the least, the quickest way to improve your color or get good at coloring or have good colors in your paintings is to do simple color studies, alright? Something like this. So look at this. These are simple color studies, like 10, maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes per sketch. So take a hard brush and just color. Do not pick colors from the reference. Just color using your intuition. Look at all these color studies, especially this one in particular. Look at how vibrant these colors are. And I've chosen all the colors manually. I've never picked them from reference. Doesn't matter if the shapes are bad, if the proportions are not right, okay? So I have messed my proportions in this painting, but it doesn't matter. The most important thing is to learn to apply good colors, right? Look at this one. This is so good. And this one as well. All earthly tones. This one and this one has earthly tones. So this is what will help you in choosing better colors, choosing good colors, alright? Do these color studies for like 1 hour every day, maybe 1.5 hours every day, alright? And I guarantee you it will help you in choosing better colors. In like within a week, I guarantee you that. Look at this painting also. It looks so vibrant, so beautiful. There are not so many colors in this picture, but it still looks so vibrant. Why? Because of all those color studies that I did. Okay, this is another color study, by the way. So yeah, so choosing better colors is the most important thing. And while choosing colors, do not use unsaturated or desaturated color. Use somewhat saturated colors, and then you can try going towards lower saturation or more saturation as need be, alright? So if I pick some colors from this painting, look at all these colors, okay? They are all different and they are like just 5 of them, alright? I have not used so many colors. But when I switch to grayscale, look at all these values. This is what is most important, to understand that values change with each and every color, and you can use it to your advantage while coloring, okay? If you understand this, then you can literally get away with any color whatsoever, okay? Your paintings will look more vibrant, alright? And the only way to understand this thing over here is by doing color studies, is by actual practice. You cannot learn to swim without going into the water, okay? You have to go into the water. So yeah, do those color studies. They are very essential and they are very, very, very powerful. Now look at this painting over here. These are all desaturated colors, but understanding their values is what helps them become more vibrant, become more alive, alright? So look at all these colors, okay? These are not so saturated. The only saturated color is dark green or dark red, alright? And I could do this because I have practiced color study. I have done color studies, okay? So yeah, so color studies are really, really, really important. Please do them. And last but not the least, I want to show you this. These are 2 monsters from Zelda Breath of the Wild, okay? And look at all these different colors over here on these monsters, on their bodies, alright? Look at them. They are all different. That's just not one color all over the place. Their value is different, their hues are different, alright? So remember that. It is bokoblin also. Red, a darker red. Then look at this. This highlight is purple. Then this yellow. But then look at this. This is a lime color. And look at this. This is a green color, but this is a beige color. And this thing over here, this is again beige color, but this is a blue color. How did that happen? That is something called as color vibration. and that is also using this point that I mentioned to its fullest potential. Alright, when you understand this, you become a god at coloring. This is exactly how you choose good colors. Okay, remember all these points and you'll be a god. And most importantly, do those color studies right now. If you don't do them, I'm gonna come there and alright, and that's it for today's video. Okay, and be sure to watch more of my videos on color because there is a lot of information in that. Alright, so yeah, so and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.
Subscribe. Goodbye.